What's up, guys? Welcome back to another 2023 BRZ video. In today's video, guys, I got a little bit of a surprise here. Finally, I have received my package. Let me open this up for you guys. Alright, so here we have all the pipes. This is the tip with the carbon fiber around it, so I'm just gonna take it out for you guys here. Already opened one up. Look at that, man. Oh, that's gonna look insane. Oh, it's gonna, like, obviously it's not gonna connect to that exhaust, but just to show, like, man, it's gonna look good with the carbon fiber on it. So it's gonna be really cool. I'm very excited, but I'm not excited at the same time because I don't know how loud that thing is gonna be. If it gets too loud and it starts causing a little bit of trouble, I will get a muffler put on this thing and maybe get a valve so that way I can open and close it when I need it. Only reason I'm not taking it out of the box completely is because I'm getting it installed in about an hour, so I'm just waiting. And for now, yeah, I'm talking to you guys. Anyways, guys, I will probably snap to the clip where this thing is actually put on, and then you guys can take a look. So I will see you guys back when this thing is installed. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. We've got the MBRP dual exhaust on right here. This is an axle back, no muffler, and it sounds amazing. Right now the car's warmed up. It's subtle. You guys will hear me do a cold start in my next video, but for the time being, I mean, just look at that, man. It sticks out nice. It looks really good. Makes the car look a lot more aggressive. Some people may have different opinions on it. Maybe some people would like just the steel tips, and that's fine. That, you know, the carbon fiber covers are not everyone's style, but I really dig it. I think it looks really good. We actually hit 692. I drove it quite a bit. This is 3 days later from the unboxing video that I showed you guys, so that's probably why. I had to drive a lot. So let me show you guys the exhaust up close. Alright, got the nice MBRP right there. I absolutely love this exhaust. Some people might prefer to paint the inside. So the inside of the exhaust right there. Some people would probably prefer to paint that. But I think it's fine the way it is. Looks a little bit more aggressive, to be honest. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I will be uploading sound clips, so don't worry about that. And cabin sound, we're talking stock exhaust sound. I still have the stock exhaust as well, but I recorded sounds before I got this one on, so you guys will hear some sounds from that. I tried to record a cold start with the stock exhaust, but something went wrong with the video, so unfortunately I don't think I can upload that one. But I'll get you guys some clips, and I will be doing some no commentary driving later down the road. But for now, this is the setup, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I'm going to be running for about a year. There's not much mods that I'm getting after this yet. I am planning on getting a duckbill or just a regular spoiler. It depends on what I feel like. I don't know yet. I'm leaning towards duckbill just because this car looks so nice and curvy. For now, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm making literally 5 videos today, so you guys will see an update, 500 kilometers update, and 5 dislikes, 5 likes about the car, and some other stuff that's going to be coming. So definitely stay tuned for that. And I got to keep you guys updated, man. It's, you know, 2023. There's some very special features about this car, mainly about the infotainment system, which I'll show you guys in the next video, which just updated because when I first bought the car, it didn't come with this feature, but now it does, which is hilarious to me. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.